outside of a bedroom or by a back porch, or if it's just too loud in general. Well, this right here was installed just 2 or 3 years ago. And as you can see, it's kind of hard to even hear me on that. We have a better solution for you that may help you out. This is our Evolution series by Bryant. And this is actually what we call a 5-stage system. They are great on lowering your power bill, but also controlling humidity in your house. This thing is running at 100% right now. And you can probably tell you can't hear it whatsoever. In fact, if you come a little bit closer, you can see the fan is running, but you can barely even hear it. So these are great for being outside of bedrooms or by porches or by your back decks for whenever you're grilling or having family events. You will never know these things are running, and they will help your power bill and make your family more